Welcome children in bio class. Children, now I am going to teach you transformation and introduction of recombinant DNA into host cell. Children, you have to know what is transformation. Transformation is the procedure by which a segment of foreign DNA is introduced in the genome of host bacterium or a eukaryotic cell. Recombinant DNA is introduced into host bacterial cell and the bacterial cell gets transformed. There are several methods of introducing recombinant DNA into recipient cells. There are two methods as given in this figure. This first method is a gene gun method, and the second method is there has given. This is the introduction of foreign DNA in a host cell with a micro injection needle. So, with the help of the diagram, there are two methods as explained. First method is gene gun method, and second method is micro injection method. But there are some more methods of introducing the foreign DNA in host cell. In that, transformation, transfection, electroporation by gene gun and microinjection. So you have to know first what is transformation. Transformation is uptake of foreign DNA by a cell from its surrounding. So what is the transformation? Uptake of foreign DNA by a cell from its surrounding. The recipient bacterial cell are made competent to receive foreign DNA by placing them in cold and dilute calcium chloride solution. So, when recipient bacterial cell is placed in cold and dilute calcium chloride solution, it becomes competent to receive foreign DNA. Second method is transfection. In this process, recombinant DNA is introduced in the host cell by phage particles which infect bacterial cell. Third method is electroporation. Electroporation is the introduction of recombinant DNA into bacterial cell or plant protoplast by exposing them to a very high voltage electric pulse. This causes transient pore in their cell membrane and allows foreign DNA to enter the cell. So, in the electroporation, cell or plant protoplast is brought in high voltage of electric pulse. Then pore will develop and through which foreign DNA can get inside. Next is by gun, that is gene gun method. In gene gun method, plant cell recombinant DNA is introduced In plant cells, recombinant DNA is introduced by gene gun called biolistics. Microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with recombinant DNA are bombarded with high velocity on the cell wall. It means recombinant DNA is coated on the microparticles of gold and tungsten, and these particles with high velocity strike to the cell wall of the cell, and these particles will enter into the cell. The recombinant DNA gets incorporated with host DNA. Last method is microinjection. Recombinant DNA can be injected into the nucleus of animal cell by microsyringe or glass micropipette using two micromanipulators. This technique was originally used in animal cell, but now it is used in plant cell also.